Hello friends, this is me Amorendra Ghosh. Today in this particular video, I like to share few physical chemistry books for your B.Sc course. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Sometimes it becomes very hard for a student to pass the transition state from class 12 to the UG level. I am saying this because please try to understand, most of the students use their mother language or regional language in reading, speaking, and of course in writing in their higher secondary level. But when you appear in B.Sc, you have to use English as your medium of language of learning. Then problem arises. So keeping this thought in our mind, we should focus for all type of students to help them pass this transition state from class 12 to the UG level. So first book in this list is a pass course book by R.L. Madan and G.D. Tuli. This book, I know most of the teachers won't agree with me for this recommendation that a pass course book can't be a first choice for honors student, that means a student who is pursuing chemistry honors. But yet I am recommending it to you because as a student I know this book had helped me in crossing this transition state. Again, this book has the question answer format, so while going through a paragraph you won't be bored because you have an intent that why you are going through that paragraph. Now moving towards the next book, which is written by my teacher, me, and one of my friends. I don't know whether you can see it or not. The first name is my teacher's name, Dr. Olindo Bauda. Second is mine, Amorendra Ghosh, and third is one of my friend, Abhishek Banerjee. If it is in the mirror form, I don't know what it is coming in front of you, but this book is, you can see that, very small in size, and it contains 5 chapters. One of them is inorganic chapter, chemical bonding, and another 4 belong to physical chemistry. The language is kept very simple, so if you are interested you can also buy this book. I will not say further about the book because it will turn into a book advertisement, which I am not honestly going to do here. So moving towards the next book, which is the textbook by Puri Sharma Pathania, Physical Chemistry by Puri Sharma Pathania, and this book is very popular in the market. I can't explain in words that how much this book helped me in growing the basics, because if you open the book, you will see the first chapter as mathematical concepts, and you know that how much important the mathematic portion is in physical chemistry. You have to learn 2 things to understand physical chemistry. One, the physical meaning of any concept, and second one is the mathematical meaning. One is physical meaning and other is mathematical workout, whatever you say. These two things are very important, and if you develop the mathematical concept very well, it will be very much easier for you to grow the basic concepts in physical chemistry, and also the advanced level it will also help you. The language of the book is very simple, and from the width of the book you can have the notion that how much content it contains. There are few printing mistakes and also some mistakes in concepts, but keeping this aside, this is a good book to start with. Now here is the book of Physical Chemistry by Castellan. If you ask me to define this book in one word, I would say amazing, because it carries a different genre among all the physical chemistry books. If you go through it, you will get a different flavor out of it. And I can remember I had gone through whole chemical thermodynamics from here, and it was a really good experience. The language is quite difficult. I won't say that it is very much difficult or very much simple. It is in between them. If you have developed your basics, and you know quite well English language, then it will be very much helpful for you. The next book in this list is the book by Physical Chemistry by P.Sc. This is also a very good book. This is a textbook, but there are lots of printing mistakes which you have to ignore. I can remember that I had gone through solid state, gaseous state, liquid state, chemical kinetics, some portion of chemical kinetics and some portion of electrochemistry. So not a bad choice, very good book. You should keep this book with you. In the beginning of the video, I told you that mathematics or numericals in physical chemistry is very much important. If you are capable of solving more numericals, you will start to understand physical chemistry more deeply. And on the other hand, in competitive exams or in university semester exams, numericals in physical chemistry is very important. So for this, I have got this book by Amolindo Ghoshal. It contains numericals of all the chapters and short answer type questions. So you should keep this book with you. And now moving on, our next part is quantum chemistry. Frankly speaking, most of the part in quantum chemistry I don't understand. But yes, from mathematical point of view, I understand it. But if someone asks me, if somebody come to me and ask me that please tell me the physical meaning of this concept in quantum chemistry, I'm seriously telling you, I may fail to answer, because I have found myself in trouble to grab the physical significance in quantum chemistry. So it will vary student to student, people to people. I don't have the understanding in quantum chemistry, but you may have that much understanding. So it varies people to people, student to student. That's not the point. So in quantum chemistry, I will refer the book Levine, which I don't have the hard copy. I read it from a soft copy in my B.Sc. Levine is a good book, but if you want to learn little bit of advance, so Bransden-Joachim is also very good book. And for the numericals, quantum numericals in your semester exams, this book is also very helpful. You can buy the book by Quantum Chemistry Through Problems and Answers by R.K. Prasad. This is also a very good book. It covers all the numericals and short answer type questions in quantum chemistry. Now the physical spectroscopy part. I have got this beautiful book by Banwell. I might not be wrong if I say that Banwell is enough for physical spectroscopy. But you can remember in the organic chemistry book review part, I told you that in organic spectroscopy you have to learn from your teachers first, and same I am going to say here. For physical spectroscopy and also quantum chemistry, please try to learn it from your teachers, because these two parts are quite different from other parts in physical chemistry. Other parts you are capable of learning it by yourself, but spectroscopy, it has got large amount of applications. Quantum chemistry, it belongs to a different world of chemistry. So these two things you should learn from your teacher, then go through book, then make your notes. That's it. Now here are some honorable mentions. The first book is Peter Atkins. Peter Atkins is a very good textbook for physical chemistry. I have seen a lot of my friends have bought this book. Even teachers also recommend this. So you should keep also this book. First, go through it from a soft copy if you have. Then, if it compatible with your, if you connect with that book, then you should buy that book. Otherwise, you go for other books that I have showed to you. Second book is Hrishikesh Chatterjee. It comes with few volumes, but frankly speaking, I have got the second volume of Hrishikesh Chatterjee, and I am not benefited. I was not benefited from this book. I don't know whether I was unable to connect with this book or not, but it may be helpful for you. It depends student to student. We should keep this in our mind. Third book is the Donald McCreary-Simons, Quantum Chemistry by Donald McCreary-Simons. The language is quite different, quite difficult, I would say. Levine is far better than Donald McCreary-Simons if you have lower understanding, less understanding in English language. Then Levine, you should go for Levine. And the fourth book in our recommendation is K.L. Kapoor. And believe me, I haven't gone through any book of K.L. Kapoor. It comes with few volumes. I'm saying this because I have seen that most of my teachers and most of my friends recommend this book. They found it very helpful, and I don't know why I didn't study this book, but I should recommend this book. It is a very popular book in the market, and also very popular among the students and teachers. So K.L. Kapoor would be a very good choice. Now at last I want to say something to you, that in my B.Sc I didn't take tuition for physical chemistry and organic chemistry at first. So what I used to do, I used to buy books for my savings and then go through it, gather knowledge from internet and YouTube, then used to make my own notes, and it was a really good experience in that time which I gathered, and I really welcome you all. Please try this method once in your semester and you will be very much benefited. Believe me, you will be very much benefited. So that's all about today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.